Welcome to the Student-Centered Learning and You Informational Wiki. This wiki was developed to present the information from our literature review in a way that is easily accessible to educators who are looking to develop a student-centered curriculum. Our goal is to answer the following driving question. How do we, as technology facilitators and coaches, assist classroom teachers and professional trainers in transitioning to a culture where the teacher acts as a facilitator rather than direct teachers, allowing more student-centered learning? This question seeks to find a way to assist classroom teachers in transitioning from direct teachers or keepers of knowledge to facilitators who will develop, maintain, and encourage the growth of student-centered learning. The research that this wiki was based on was conclusive in outlining the benefits of student-centered learning. It also outlined that there are obstacles that can detract from its effectiveness. Certain state policies, procedures, and pressures stemming from standardized testing can adversely affect the willingness of a teacher to implement a student-centered curriculum. The research suggests that there must be a culture change in education, development of new pedagogies and state practices and policies that encourages teachers to center their curriculum on the learner must be implemented. That is where this wiki comes in. If you take a look at our homepage, you'll notice that we have everything sectioned off. We will start off by describing what student-centered learning is, how student-centered learning is affected, how you can overcome and identify obstacles, how to get started with using or implementing student-centered learning in your classroom, a teacher's toolbox with many technology tools that can help encourage student-centered learning, case studies where you can learn about real-world uses of student-centered learning, and additional resources such as the references and the glossary. Next, we will detail each page or each section of our wiki. The first section that we'll look at is the What is Student-Centered Learning section. What is student-centered learning? Student-centered learning makes the student the leader of their own learning. This method of instruction allows students to be more involved in curriculum planning and classroom discussions. Recently, educators have become more aware of this method of teaching and the benefits of it. To help us learn more about the benefits of student-centered learning, we have included a video summarizing some of the benefits and characteristics of student-centered learning, a professional development training module about student-centered learning developed by Dina Robinson, and this module can be used by the educator, by the user of this wiki, to formally share the benefits of student-centered learning with other educators as part of a professional development training. Next, we'll go over the How Student-Centered Learning is Affected page. On this page, you will see what the research has shown as some of the reasons that student-centered learning may be affected in the classroom. The research shows that standardized testing and certain policies made at the district, state, and federal level can affect student-centered learning. This page explores both the positive and negative effects that these outside forces can have on educators and the curriculum. Next, we'll go over the page that details how to overcome obstacles. Although student-centered learning can be affected by many outside forces, research shows that educators are able to overcome these obstacles and fully implement a student-centered curriculum. This page is primarily devoted to giving the educator ideas on how they too can overcome these obstacles. Next, we'll go over the How to Get Started with Student-Centered Learning page. Getting started in student-centered learning can be tough for both experienced and inexperienced educators. This page provides us a step-by-step roadmap to successfully start a student-centered learning environment. This page also includes strategies and activities such as the 3-2-1 strategy and 4 corners to help encourage a student-centered environment. In addition, there is a video that shows an actual students-driven classroom, which will give you first-hand experience or give you a first-hand example of how student-centered learning should look in a classroom. Next, we will take a look at the teacher's toolbox. The teacher's toolbox will show you about some technology tools that encourage student-centered learning. As you can see, this page is divided up into online response tools such as quiz and survey generators like Kahoot, and also there are game-based learning tools which should keep your students engaged. Finally, there is a section for collaboration tools. Research shows that collaboration should be the central part of a student-centered environment. And this section gives you a few examples of proven collaborative software, such as Edmodo and even Skype. Next, we will go over the case studies section. The case studies section will investigate research on student-centered learning at the elementary and high school level. The case studies explores the research at both Hopewell Elementary School and City Arts and Technology High School. Next, we will finish up with the additional resources section. The additional resources page includes a reference list of all the research featured in our literature review and in this wiki. By selecting the reference link, you will be taken to the PDF of the actual article for further research. Also, below, there's a glossary of some of the major terms explored in this wiki. And that is the Student-Centered Learning and You Informative Wiki. This site is a complete resource that will assist educators in fully starting and maintaining a student-centered classroom. Thank you.